So I don't think I'll be doing much more for today, to be honest. Today was a good day at work, nothing too exciting. I was waiting for my phone game controller thing, but the guy bailed on me and said try tomorrow. He didn't have the product with him. But as I can tell, that's finally my bike's back to normal. I have a motorbike seat that is way too fucking chunky, but it's pretty comfy. Yeah, it's pretty comfy, pretty chunky, but pretty comfy. Doesn't really suit the bike. And I got my frame brace thing, so that's good. It's good to have that back. Yeah, other than that, I had to readjust the clip-ons. But it's still good. Bike's pretty much back to normal. Other than that, I've already done a lot. I don't really have a lot to talk about either. I feel a little bit sick, but I think it's because I haven't eaten properly. It's a beautiful day outside though. But yeah, today's a nothing day to be honest. Got my motorbike seat though, so that's cool I guess. Bye.